In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $7,210 just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate links so you can earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of May, from the first day of May until the day 31 of May. Okay, I made $7,210. Okay, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, all you have to do, guys, is you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So what you will do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, okay? And choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. It's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you should start promoting on Facebook to earn commission. Okay, so I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook. So what you will do next, go back to your home page on Facebook, on Fiverr like this. Okay, go back to your home page, click on the search. Okay, search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, like this. Search for YouTube thumbnail and scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. You will find a lot of people here who are a lot of sellers who are providing this service. So you need to choose good sellers. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So I will choose, for example, one of those sellers like this one. This one is looking really good and he is providing fast delivery. He has over 1k reviews, almost 5-star. This service starting just from $10. That's really good. I will choose this seller. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has 5 orders in queue. It's almost 6,000 reviews. Look how many people buy this service, guys. Okay, do you see how many people are already paid for this service? Those people who keep saying it's not working, it's gonna not work. If it's gonna not work, which people are buying this service? Of course, people who has YouTube channels, who want to grow their YouTube channels anyway, and people keep coming back. So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. So just copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook, okay? So just open your Facebook homepage like this, okay? Click on the search for YouTube subscribers, okay? Search for YouTube subscribers. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you can join. So just click on join and you need to join all those groups, okay? Then after we finish, let's choose this group. For example, I will click on this group, the first group. I will scroll down. So you should find people here who has YouTube channels, okay? So let me see. As you can see, here is a person has a YouTube channel, okay? This person put his YouTube video link here. So why those people they are putting their YouTube videos links in this group? Because those people want to grow their YouTube channels. They want to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. That's why they are sharing their YouTube channels links and YouTube videos links here. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service, to buy YouTube thumbnail service, to make good thumbnails for their YouTube videos, to get more views and more subscribers, okay? And this seller will help those people to get more views with those great and professional thumbnails, okay? As you can see, also the customers of this sellers are really they are satisfied, as you can see, okay? So what you will do, let's go back to this group. Let's take this person as an example. This person put his YouTube video link here. I will click on his name and I will click on message, okay? And I need to send a professional and friendly message to this person with my affiliate link about YouTube thumbnail service. How we can create a professional and friendly message. So all you have to do is you just need to use ChatGPT. Go to Google, okay? Let me show you. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. This AI website is really amazing, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. All you have to do, you just need to click on message and create this message. You can copy my message if you want to use it, or you can create your own message, that's fine. So I asked this AI to create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy YouTube thumbnail service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. This AI created this message. Are you looking to make your YouTube videos stand out with eye-catching thumbnails? Thumbnails play a circular role in attracting viewers and boosting your channel's engagement. Okay? I want to share an amazing service I found that can help you create professional and captivating YouTube thumbnails. It's really a professional and friendly message. It's good. All you have to do, let me show you. You are all doing great. Okay, I will copy I need just to copy this message. Okay, copy this message like this. Okay, like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to Facebook and you will send this message to this person. Okay, like this. And you have here, and here you need to put your affiliate link. I will delete this part. Okay, so we just need to put our affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now. Okay, that's why I still have this option. For you, scroll down, you have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. So for me, I use this website to make my affiliate links short. It's for free, guys, if you want to use it. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be short link like this. You can copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Facebook, and they will put my affiliate link here like this. Okay, and all you have to do now is you need to click on send, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person. Okay, your message will be sent like this, as you can see. Are you looking to make, if this person is really interested to grow his YouTube channel, he will check your message, and if he click on your affiliate link, for example, like this, let me see, he will be directly in this seller profile page. He will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. And that's it. Also, guys, you can send those example thumbnails to this person. Okay, click on this thumbnail example, for example. Let me show you. So just click on this picture like this, and double click on save image, and you can send this thumbnails to this seller, to this person. Okay, to this person on Facebook. So okay, so he can see how he will get his thumbnails. He can see the design, he can see it's really good, it's professional work. Then he will buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. And that's it. If you know how you can convince those people to buy those services from you, you can really make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business method. Okay, you have a lot of people here who has YouTube channels, who want to grow their YouTube channels. You just need to convince those people to buy those services from you, and you will make a lot of money. Okay, here is another person who has a YouTube channel. Okay, here is another person who has a YouTube channel. Let's scroll down. You can find unlimited people here who has YouTube channels. Here is another person. Okay, here is another person who has a YouTube channel. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to, it's like connecting sellers with buyers. You just need to convince those people to buy those services. Use AI to create a friendly and professional message. Then start sending your message to those people who want to grow their YouTube channels to get more views, more subscribers. And that's it. The business model is clear. You just need to stay consistent. You need to learn marketing. You need to learn how you can market those services, how to promote those services, how to convince people to buy services from you. You need to learn this, and you will really make a lot of money with this method. Okay, I also want guys to explain something. This commission that I made, it didn't come just from sending message to people on Facebook, of course not, but I made a lot of commission using this method on Facebook, because I'm not using just Facebook, I'm using Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, Instagram, and so much more to get traffic for free and to promote my affiliate links and earn commission. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in this business, just comment affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of methods that you can use to promote your affiliate links for free using free traffic, and start making money on affiliate marketing for free using free traffic without investing any money and without any risk. Okay, see you in my next videos.